To begin with the Workshop plugin, first, you need to perform debtor maintenance. Debtor maintenance is to maintain vehicle information. Debtor can be determined as personal or company. Each of them can have one or more vehicle information in their debtor maintenance. To do that, go to AR and click on debtor maintenance. Here, as you can see, I have already created a debtor, but if you want to create, you can just click new. However, I will demonstrate the information inside the debtor vehicle using the data I have already created. So to create a new vehicle maintenance, under the debtor editor account, click the plus sign and this screen will appear. So first, key in the vehicle number, the date, the model, the make. You can key in the engine number, engine type, chassis number, vehicle type, tonnage, then the color description. Then you can key in your remarks. Here you can key in your last service mileage, next service mileage, last maintenance, maintenance duration, next maintenance. For the format name, you can click the drop down button to select the format name. Once the format maintenance has been done, you can select the insurance policy, the sum insured, and the road tax. So under the vehicle photo tab, you can click here and then you can add the image. So to load the image, just double click. So once all the setting has been done, click OK. If you click on the user defined field, we are able to key in their birthday and the V list. So once everything is done, click save. Now to perform stock item maintenance, go to stock and click on stock item maintenance. Then click new to create a new stock item, but since I have already created one, I will just demonstrate using this. Here you can key in the item code, the description, the unit, and then the price. You can also click in on the user defined field. Then under mileage. For the mileage, this will be used to auto-calculate the next service mileage. So for example, if you key in the sales invoice or cash sales, the mileage would be auto-calculated. And then the report group would be the predefined group for user to select for incentive calculation grouping. So if we click the drop down button, we could have label, parts, material, and sublet. However, I have chose material. So once everything is done here, click OK. Now to perform insurance policy maintenance, go to Workshop and click on Insurance Policy Maintenance. So to create a new insurance policy, click the link here, create new insurance policy. However, I will demonstrate to you using the one I have already created. So if you could see here, you can key in the policy number, the sum insured, claim number, policy start date, end date, the agent, and the insurance company, and the note. So once you have keyed in everything, click save. Next, to perform format maintenance, go to Workshop and click on Format Maintenance. Click here to create a new format. I will demonstrate using the one I have already created. Here you can key in their name and then you can key in the description. You can also repeat whatever you have keyed on top, which is the format's name. Click the checkbox here to activate the incentive. And then this active checkbox here will automatically be checked. So once done, click save. So next we will be viewing sales agent / foreman sales incentive point maintenance. To do that, go to Workshop, click on sales agent / foreman incentive point maintenance. This allows you to set incentive point for your sales agent / foreman. First of all, you need to make sure the foreman and sales agent maintenance is already done. So once you have created your foreman or your sales agent, click to highlight and then click edit. So here you can key in the incentive. Here you can categorize the incentive that they would receive based on the report group. For example, for labor and material, they would receive 50 and 100. So you can customize. So once all the customization is done, click save, click OK. The Workshop plugin also allows you to set reminder notification by day setting. So to do that, go to Workshop and click on Settings. Here, you can key in the default increment service mileage, the next increment service day, and then you can also key in the reminder notification day setting. So once everything is done, click Save. So to view the reminder notification, click on Workshop and click on Reminder Notification. Here, you will be able to see all the reminder that there is. The system will list down all the reminder that set earlier in order for Workshop to send reminder to customers. So now I will demonstrate how to create an invoice using the Workshop plugin. So to create a new invoice, click on Invoice. Then select the debtor, for example debtor B. And if you could see here, branch would refer to their car's registration number. Then right click, click on Add to add the item. Here, for example, I will add the engine oil. Key in the unit price. The mileage will automatically be keyed in. And then if you go to user defined field, you can view the relevant information. So once all the items are keyed in, click save. So the prompt message will appear saying the next service mileage is 0. So do you want to recalculate this next service mileage? If you want to, click yes. If no, click no. So now I will demonstrate what to do if you click yes. key in the new current service mileage. So for example, which would be 30,000, and click OK. So the new service mileage is 40,000. Then click OK. So now to view the saved invoice, go to sales and click on invoice. Then here you will be able to see the debtor B. Double click to view the invoice. So you can now see the information that we have keyed in. Thank you.